Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor, January 28th. This is a big day for us here at Allendale. This kicks off our conference. We've got the weather portion of our conference today. For those of you that have not signed up yet, I suggest that you do. Look online or give us a call. But we're going to have Drew Lerner talking today on the 2014 outlook. Now, he's done a fantastic job for us in the past and really gives us a great in-depth look of the weather to come. And that has been such a big player over the last few years, and that's the thing guys are going to be talking about this year once again. So very important. Get in there. Get registered today. Tomorrow we're going to talk corn and wheat, and then beans and livestock on Thursday. But a big day for us. We're preparing for that, and certainly want to give you the best information we can. But it will be worth your benefit to get registered, get signed up, and certainly view that. Some of the other, I guess, where the markets are doing today: corn down about 1/2. You got beans down 2 1/4. Wheat up about 3 1/2. So finding a little support for wheat, maybe from just overdone ideas. You still have the technicals are still weak right now. You still have global supply. You've got big global supply right now, probably going to end up capping rallies. But we have been overdone. We are due for a bounce there. But as far as corn and beans, we are lower. Weather still in Argentina, a little bit negative. It's still going to be that way. The 6 to 15 day forecast has got rain still present. And with that, they're saying right now, estimates are maybe 10% of their production region is under stress. So it seems like what we've talked about in the past and how it was a big unknown. We do have some rains coming. That may end up capping rallies as well, but we do have beans down slightly today. Now, as far as corn, we're in a very sideways range. We are in an upper end of a range right now. Not a lot of news out there today for that. Very quiet trade overnight, but down just 1/2 cent here at this point. We'll see how that takes effect here today. Cattle, big move last week. We're waiting to see what cash looks like this week. Box beef yesterday, choice up 78 cents, select up 81. We did have, or that's a main component here of this run-up as well. We've seen very strong moves, but we've got to sustain the rally that we've seen for the cash market. We've seen a very fast move higher. Got to be careful if this market does take a plunge here as well, but we're at levels that are very good. But we've got to watch some of these primary issues in order to sustain these prices. One being box beef, two being your cash markets. As far as hog, little different story there. We have seen a cash market turn and starting to work a little bit higher, but that's still putting pressure on the February contract. Now these back months have been rallying, so we've seen a stronger move for every month except for February. Concerns of PED still lingering out there. How is that going to affect these markets, and how much of an issue do we really have on hand? That unknown right now is continuing to support these back months and continuing to see those rally. Some other news out there. We've got congressional negotiators that have reached an agreement here on the Farm Bill. Talks of removal of the direct payment subsidies. But this vote is going to happen here. It could happen by early next week from the House and Senate. So we'll see what happens with that. But stay tuned, and we'll be going through that here as it happens. But the big thing today is our conference. This is a big deal for us and a great way for you guys to start your marketing. So get on board, get registered today. It would bring you that 2 o'clock. It starts this afternoon as far as the weather, and then 2 o'clock yesterday or tomorrow, as well as Thursday as well. But weather today, corn and wheat tomorrow, and then we've got beans and livestock there on Thursday. But you can reach us here 800-262-7538, or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.